In this guide, I'll show you how to remove your Roblox PIN on your mobile. Now, if you've forgotten your Roblox PIN code and you need to remove it, then what we can do is head over to the Roblox application, and you just need to come down to More in the bottom right hand side and scroll all the way down and select Help and Safety. From the top here, click on Help, and what we're going to do in this search box is just type in Reset PIN and hit enter, and then scroll slightly down and select contact form. And what we need to do is basically fill out this contact form here. Now, this is the only way to remove your Roblox PIN code, and usually it is super straightforward, and once you've filled out this form, then the Roblox team will be able to remove that for you. So all you need to do here is enter your first name, then come down to email address and type in the email address that was either registered to your account or the account used to set up the PIN. So if you had a parent set up your account for you and they were the ones to create this PIN, then you can enter their email address inside of here. Come down to issue details, and for this drop down, just select the device you're using, which is going to be phone. Come down to the category and you need to select account hacked or can't log in. Then come along to the next drop down and select account PIN, and then just write a brief description of the issue. So you can just type in something like forgot PIN code or something as simple as that. Then finally, just come down to continue at the bottom here, and you may need to solve this capture image that appears on the screen. And once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and submit the form. So just sit tight and wait for the Roblox team to remove your PIN code. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.